One of the hot topics in dentistry today is biomimetic dentistry. By definition, what biomimetic dentistry is creating materials to restore teeth that mimic not only the shape, the color, but also the flexibility of the natural dentition in order to not disrupt the natural function of teeth and to prevent any further damage. Why are we not necessarily looking at that when we talk about graft materials? With the OsteoGen crystals and the bioactivity of it and the biomimetic form of the crystals, we are using a product that is going to work with the body in order to grow new bone. And it's not going to put up any barriers for that new bone growth, and then eventually is going to be resorbed completely in order to have natural bone ready for any future restorative procedures that we're going to need.